vragen?
Spreek je Engels? Ik spreek weinig Nederlands.
Weinig Nederlands, maar wel Engels.
Yes, good.
You speak English?
Yes, please.
We are from the broadcast company in Limburg,
Yeah?
and we were driving past and we were wondering what you are doing.
Oh, would you like to come in?
Yes?
Yes, the door is open.
Okay, thank you. Wat niet?
Nog niet shower.
Zet ik tegen wel weer aan het werken, jong? Ja, jong moet altijd ondertitelen. Als we in het buitenlands overgaan.
Welcome. I have a small dog, sir. I have to do this.
You have a small daughter?
Dog and daughter.
A dog?
Yes, dog. Close it. Okay.
I will introduce myself. I am Bas.
Fon. Yeah, my name is Fon.
Okay.
Yes, come in.
And where are you originally from?
Thailand.
Thailand.
Yes.
And how did you end up here?
I am married with a Dutch guy.
Ah, you're married to a Dutch guy.
Yes.
And where's the Dutch guy now?
I work in Rotterdam.
He works in Rotterdam?
Yes. Yes.
Oh. Why isn't he living in Rotterdam?
Oh no, he go back and forth.
Go.
With
Okay.
his friend.
Oh.
Lucy, come.
Hello.
Yes.
Ah, you were painting
Yeah.
the flowers on the picture.
Yes.
Is painting is your hobby, or is it your work?
My work and my hobby. Yes. I do many things, and the flower is from my garden. If you would like to see, I grow them and I take a photo and I paint
What?
them sometimes.
Ah, okay. Hello. Nice doggy. Nice doggy.
What program are you doing?
We're doing a show.
About?
We are always driving around
Oh.
in this province in Limburg,
Okay.
and when we see things that interest us, we always try to make conversation with people.
All right. Okay.
Ah, you are also.
Yeah.
Is this all your work?
Yes.
You like to be in the garden.
Yes, I was a gardener before.
You were a gardener back in Thailand.
Yes.
Ah.
So I just do it because there's nothing else to do. Study, learn language, painting, do the gardens, you know.
Oh, but that's a lot
Yeah. It's fun.
altogether.
Yeah, having fun.
And the young girl is your daughter.
Yeah.
She has a holiday now.
She take a day off. It's 2 days school will off. She study in UWC Maastricht, United World College International School.
International school.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
But she speaks Dutch.
she speaks my language.
English
Yes, English and Thai.
and Thai.
Yeah.
But when you are together, you speak Thai.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's correct.
How long have you been here in Geulen? In Geul?
Before I live in my sister in Benjamsai, close the river. And now we just bought a place here. We just recently moved here.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm in here in Benjamin, Netherlands for 3 years now.
3 years?
Yeah.
How did you meet your husband?
Back in Thailand, he was a lawyer for 25 years in Thailand.
So he worked there a long time.
Yeah. So we go back.
Yeah, we go back. Now, back to the painting.
Oh, I
you-
have a tower.
What a gigantic garden you have.
Yeah, that's the reason we bought it, because I like to do garden and it has to be space for it, right?
But how obvious was it that you would move from Thailand to the Netherlands because of your husband's work?
Yes, also, and mostly for the kids' school. I think the school here is better for kids, and the life here, the quality of life is better for them.
But also for you?
Yes,
Yeah?
natuurlijk, yeah.
Natuurlijk!
Yeah, yes.
Don't you miss Thailand?
I go back every year, so we are going back in a few weeks, so.
For how long?
For 3-4 weeks maybe.
Okay. And your husband will go with you?
Yes.
The whole
also.
family?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you have more kids?
Youngest one is in school today.
Okay.
Yeah.
How old is she?
6.
6.
Yes.
Also an international school?
Yes. Actually, she already 7. Yes.
Sorry?
She is already 7, not 6.
You forgot.
No, just last
worries.
one. Just last one.
But how do you like it here?
I like it. I like it here. There's what do you call the many different climates, plants. You know, for the different season. Every season look different.
Yes.
Yes, and where we come from is always green. It's always
Warm,
either warm,
yeah.
hot, or rain. That's it. But here you see the snow sometimes. But I don't like rain too much.
Okay. But you also have rain in Thailand.
Yeah, but different rain. We have a warmer, like a warming shower.
Okay. So you don't need to go inside to shower, you do that outside in Thailand.
We don't mind if it's rain. Sometimes we walk outside. But here, if it's rain, we just quickly go in because it's too cold.
Do you still have many relatives in Thailand?
My brother, my sister, and my mom's. Yeah.
Don't you miss your mom?
She came here also.
Also?
Yes. She came every year for 3 months. And
Every year for 3 months?
yes,
Oh.
kind of, so not so bad.
So if your mother is here, what do you do together? Do you work in the garden?
Yeah,
or
garden, yes.
Shopping?
No.
No.
She loves garden. She hardly going to the town. She don't like crowded people. Me too.
You don't like crowds?
Nah, not really. They're too much with people. I go only when I have to buy things, but not really go shopping.
And where did you grow up in Thailand? Did you have a big family?
Not really. I have 4 sisters and brother, and my mom's are alone. My father died when I was young, so my mom have to work alone. So she moved from northeast to east, and then I moved to south with my family. You know, like this. I travel a lot. Let's see. I go there and then so I kind of like the idea that I moved to the Netherlands. I see something new.
You like to see something of the world?
Yeah, something. But not like going, you know, like that. I want to try to live somewhere else and to see where I like it best, and also for the kids, yes.
What do you think? Will you ever go back permanently to Thailand?
Oh, probably 10 years from now, who knows? You know, at least have to be another 10 or 12 years before my youngest one finished her high school.
Because she's now 7?
Yeah.
So when she's around 20, maybe you could...
18, I
18.
already packed the bag.
If they want. Maybe they will have a boyfriend of their own at the time, and they say to you, Mom, we are not going with you back to Thailand.
No, they're
You
not,
will say-
definitely not going to go back. 1 second, I call my daughter. Juliet? You want to say hello?
Okay. Hi.
Hi!
Hi. Nice
Hi.
to meet
Second, I'll be right back.
I didn't catch your name. What's your
Juliet.
Juliet.
Yeah.
Okay. So your mom told me that you speak, with your mom you speak mostly Thai,
Thai. Yeah.
but also English.
Yeah.
Okay. And now you took the day off.
I took the day off. Yeah.
How is that possible to take a day off from school?
She not really take a day off. She
Because,
just doing
in
herself.
school, I go to UWC Maastricht,
Yeah.
and they're doing a challenge day today, and they're running 10K. And I thought, not today. I don't feel well.
You not well enough to run 10K. Do you like sports?
Yeah, I do tennis.
Oh, you do tennis?
Yeah.
Okay. You lived in Belgium before?
Yeah.
Yes.
What,
There is a board.
Just across, there's like a
There
ferry.
is a little ferry
the small
there.
ferry?
Yes,
Yeah.
and the closet just the closet is in my sister's house.
Okay.
I was lending her house before in the top floor, and now we just moved here.
Okay. And how do you like it here?
I like it a lot because I have
She's not
family
gonna
here.
Go back, she said.
I have family and I have friends here. Yeah.
Okay. Friends also here in the village? Or mostly through school?
Mostly through school. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What? How long have you been away from Thailand now?
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the main difference between Thailand and this place?
There's a lot of differences, like also the way of living and the weather. the weather is really different, and the schools. I think everything's just very different.
Okay, your mom told about us about the weather.
Yeah.
The main differences, we have our climates, you know,
Season change.
the season change. But the way of living, what is the main difference between living in Thailand, the way of life over there and here?
Well, there's a lot of things that are different that are kind of
Less
adds
traffic.
up. Yeah, it's less traffic here. It's very busy there. It's like in Thailand we lived kind of we lived in Phuket. It was it was an island, so I feel like we kind of like knew everyone because it wasn't that big, and there was like the beach that we always like went to. But here it's like you have to drive, I think, 3 hours to the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's pretty different.
Yeah.
Your mom told us already that probably you won't go back to
No.
Thailand to live there. What's your goal in life?
I really want to focus on tennis. Like,
Really?
Yeah.
She's talented.
Yeah, she's very good. She's very good. She wants to be the professional tennis player.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. How
Yeah.
old are you now?
13.
13. Okay. So are you competing already?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Well, hopefully soon. I'm training more and more.
Okay.
Yeah. And I train in the Pelican.
Oh, the Pelican.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you think? You support your daughter all the way in her ambition to become a
if she want to, this depend on her. I told her already I'm not going to spend my time, my money is driving around if you're not really focused on it. And if you're not enjoy it, tell me, and then you do something else.
Okay.
Yes.
And what do you think about your mom being
I think
a
it's
great
good.
gardener and painter?
Oh, I think it's great because she really has like a good goal, and she's a big dreamer. She's also very pessimistic. She's optimistic and pessimistic at the same time. So she's had like exhibitions and everything, and she's doing quite well.
Maybe she should be more optimistic than pessimistic.
No, I think she's very optimistic, but she has a good point on reality.
Ah, okay.